everyone welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to see hotels nearby you at a Google Maps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Maps apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna see the hotels nearby you, at the top you can click on the hotels. Okay, and after this, in here you can see many hotel at near your home or near your place or nearby you. Okay, sorry. And then in here you can see the rate. Okay, this is the rate for the hotels. Okay, maybe you can click on it, and after this, in here you can see the hotels, and now like this. And after this, in here you can booking your hotel at Red Doors, Ticket.com, Booking.com, okay, and Agoda. So that's how to see hotels nearby you at Google Maps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.